So guys, let's quickly look at FAQ number 4. What is the most frequently asked question that people have been asking around Systeme i.o number 4 based on my research? Number 4 is, how can I track my sales and conversions on Systeme i.o? Now, when you want to track your sales and conversion, what we need to do right now is to go to our analytic tool and we can find how to go about it. So let me take you there right now. So let me say, for instance, I want to check one of my funnel, right? So when I click on my funnel right now, I will see the options. So what you do is you go on your website, you click sales funnel. When you click sales funnel, it's going to open different type of sales funnel you have. Now you want to track your sales or your conversions on a particular sales funnel. What you need to do now is you click on whatever the sales funnel is. Let me use one particular sales funnel with data on it. Right? Let me see if I have some information here. Oh, there's no information here. Definitely no information here. So, but again, the moment you click on that sales funnel, it opens this dashboard for you. On this dashboard, you can see step configurations, automation rules, A/B testing, and you will see statistics. Click on statistics. Statistics will show you the number of people who land on your page. How many of them actually go to the next level of your page, right? Now, if you configure it already for sales or for conversions, you will see the statistics here. Now, let me take you to a sales funnel with details so that you can see what I'm talking about. Let me use 5 days. Let me search for 5 days. So if we open this particular sales funnel with data on it, we just go to statistics. Under statistics, we are going to see number of people that lands on the landing page, that comes to our sales page or the landing page. Out of this number of people, we have 193 people that actually converted. Conversion means either they pay or they subscribe to go to the next level where they are going to make payment. Now, Systeme i.o is going to do one cool stuff for you here. The way to analyze the conversion rate. So for every 100 people that lands on my landing page, I have 10% of them giving me their details, taking the next step, saying that yes, I'm interested in your product. I want to pay for it. I want to buy your product. And they will now give me their details and their information. Then they will now go to the next step where they are now going to make the payment, and I will now receive the payment, whether it's cash or it's a transfer or they just make payment. Now, if you are in Nigeria or other part of Africa, you will notice that it's very difficult for you to just have your conversion to be set to be payment. So if you are expecting that for somebody to be interested, the person needs to pay you immediately in Africa, you're going to be losing a lot of conversion. So what we do is we have the first level of conversion where they know that they are going to pay for it, how much it is. If they are still interested, they enter their details. Now, when they enter their details, it takes them to the next level. On the other level, what they need to do now is to make payment. If they are not making payment immediately, sometimes they have network issues. Sometimes they can't make payment immediately. They don't have their card. It's not complete. They need to do transfer and they don't have data. So what we need to do is that we need to follow them up, chat them, and they can now make their payment. A lot of people will make their payment afterwards. So because of that, we are not able to track the entire payment using Systeme i.o because of our own region. But if you are in America, you are in Canada, it's very easy. Everybody's already making payments seamlessly without needing any other form of transfer. So that is how you track your conversion rate, especially if you are in Africa. So, and there you have it. FAQ number 4.